waste of words, a waste of breath, 'cause I've got none to say. Thoughts stay burned inside my chest. Can't take it one more day. No matter how much pain I'm in, no matter how, gotta think, I gotta breathe. Changes to come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. There's ways to go, ways to leave. Been thinking about them all, 'cause life's too hard, life's too mean. But I can't just jump and fall. No matter how much pain I'm in, I won't back down. Gotta think, can't give in. Changes will come, 'cause the light's just around that corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner.
Come this side, Aman. Have you come in?
What's that? 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 Hello, come on.
Come on.
Hello, Mom, what's this?
Oh, it was peanuts.
I'm going out to
It was
be a man.
almond.
Oh, yeah. And Amanda, one more thing. Is this a real or is this just a dream?
Papa, what?
This thing that's happening.
Like the face.
It's not a dream, it's a told you.
Seriously, who wants to make a sandcastle? Who wants to make a sandcastle? Who wants to make a sandcastle? Let's go, let's go. Look, I already started to go. Let's go.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. 'Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone, tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations, too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication, tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you, baby? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone, tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe, cause you're all I crave. So I wonder, where are you, baby? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone, tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. That's where she'll go.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Igama lami uzuzu wakangcobo, and yeah, welcome guys. So today, what are we doing? We just running a few errands. I need to go to Old Mutual and sort out a few things, and then go return an item I bought. And I'll do that in the mall, gateway. What else do I have to do? Oh, shame, today's my last day leaving. So, oh my god, tomorrow I'm going back to work. So, yeah. So I thought I could take you guys along with me while I run those few errands. Hope you guys will enjoy this video. It's really nothing major. It's just to take you guys along with me as I do this few things, then I'll come back and cook. Oh, first I need to go buy bon juice. Today, as you can see, the weather outside, it's gloomy, so I wanted to cook bon juice and okay, I'm not gonna make a roti, I'm gonna buy it. So I'm just gonna go and buy roti, and I think we've run out of sugar beans lying. So I'm just gonna go and buy that, and then come back, leave it here, so that uzobupekwa while I go run my errands. Anyways guys, let's go.
Waste of words, waste of breath, cause I've got none to say. Thoughts they burn inside my chest, can't take it one more day. No matter how much pain I'm in, no matter how, gotta think, I gotta breathe. Changes to come, cause the light's just around the corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will to leave. Been thinking about them all. 'Cause life's too hard, life's too mean. But I can't just jump and fall. No matter how much pain I'm in, I won't back down. Gotta think, can't give in. Changes will come, 'cause the light's just around that corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner.
Hi guys, so yeah, sengwaranile my errands army, as I said earlier on. Yeah, I just have one more thing that I also need to do. Ukuyothenga stationery sahlelo, and then I'll be done. So while I was in town, I went to town, decided to go to town. So I remembered ukuthi kunendawo la edayisa ama balls roll. Guys, ngizonitshengisa njengamanje niyezwa. Yo, I remember college days. Yo, ngizonitshengisa nizibonele nani ukuthi ngikhuluma ngento enjani. So yeah, this is the Vos roll of white. So this is not mine, kahle kahle okwa auntie Answengane. So yena decide ukudlala. Here's mine. I'll show you guys mine. Naye yami. It's angifunanga ukudla izinto eziningi because ngizokubona uzosheshe ngisuthi. So yeah, let me enjoy this and I'll tell you if Lisa ilinto engangiyazi or not. So guys, wow, Wowza. Wow, wow, wow. As you can see, your girl is already halfway through. Yo, I mandi into. Yo, guys, you know the messy food. Logo when be messy. Yo, it's the best. So, auntie, funny joke. Okay, it's a joke. It's supposed to be funny. So we go and buy these hot dogs, and then the first thing she says, "Oti, hence we eating in the car." Guys, I'm gonna cut down, and then we'll chat later, because wow, I'm gonna do updates in Joba Michelle. But this is very nice.
'cause I've got none to say. Thoughts they burn inside my chest. Can't take it one more day. No matter how much pain I'm in, no matter how, gotta think, I gotta breathe. Changes to come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. There's ways to go, ways to leave. Been thinking about them all. 'Cause life's too hard, life's too mean. But I can't just jump and fall. No matter how much pain I'm in, I won't back down. Gotta think, can't give in. Changes will come, 'cause the light's just around that corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner.
Hey guys, Sonny Bononi. Anywho, we've reached the end of this vlog. Thank you very much for watching. Guys, I wanted to say this at the end of this vlog. This is my very first vlog. First video that I will put up on YouTube, and first of many because I'm planning on staying. So yeah, I hope you will enjoy this one, and you will subscribe and hit that notification bell so that each and every time I upload a video you will be notified. But anyways, yeah, we did everything that I said I was going to do with you and more. Iman bagwethu, before ngiqede, yazi ngiyabuka lama video the what was that, lawa kade ngiwashuthe before this one. I'm like, hayibo usisti, hayi mlomo saphashanga, yo bazanditsho abantu. But anyways, kakobili therapy ngoba wawuza, we're not about to be defeated. Anyways guys, thank you so much. We've reached the end of this video, and yeah, guys, yo hayi bekumandi sisonke, and hopefully sisazophinde sibonane. You will subscribe, tell your friends about this new channel, and grow, guys. Growish, guys. And yeah, promise to keep you updated and posted each and every time. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and there'll be many more better and, you know, versions or better videos or good content. This was just I don't want to say it was a trial, but it was just one video and I was just learning. So yeah, I don't want to explain myself a lot. I enjoyed myself doing this video, and I hope you enjoy watching it also. And yeah, you'll come back for more. Thank you so much. Love you. Mangobo is out.